Today's lecture is about how to print two lines at the same time. For that, you have to name two variables, one with greetings and second one with the name. The greetings, what you will add good morning in the greetings and your name in the name. Always write your name in the double semicolon, so it can show that it's a string, not a integer. Then you have to combine those two variables and make it one variable. For that, you have to assume C variable and you have to sum up those two variables in it. After that, you have to print the C variable that you have considered in the above line. When you run the program, you will see that whole two variables are printed in one single line, that is good morning Harry.